Hi all. So in this video, we're going to find the third highest salary using the uh, Py. We are going to write the same write the code in the Pyspark because in the last video we have find the third highest salary in the SQL, writing the SQL query. But now the same question we need to solve in the Pyspark. So for that one, we have the three tables there in. When we are going in the last video, we have created the employee table, department table, and salary. So for these three tables, I have created these three CSV files here and uploaded into the Databricks. So now we are going to use this. Just I have copied here this file path where it is uploaded. So we need to use this file path to create the data frame for the every CSV file. So first of all, we are going to create the employee data frame to using this file path. So we are going to write the employee data frame equal to spark.read.csv, and we are passing the path of the CSV file and header equal to true. So we are keeping the header is true because the first line in the CSV file is our header. So that's why we are keeping the header equal to true. So we are going to create the employee data frame first. So we have created and written the course for this employee data frame spark.read.csv and path. Just I have passed this path here and header equal to true. So just we are going to execute this line. So after executing this line, it will create the data frame. Just now we need to check that employee df.show. So let's check what the data inside this data frame. So this is the employee data frame just we have created. So employee code is there, employee name, employee first name, last name, email ID, the phone number, hiring date, and so on. This data into. So now we are going to create the uh, our second data frame using the second department.csv file. So for that one, we are getting the department data frame. So I have written the code for this department data frame, and we are just creating the spark.read.csv and passing the path of the file and header equal to true. So just we are going to execute this line and just check what the data inside the data frame. So we are going to just check here department data frame. So we have this department data frame. So here we have again inside the department code is going to be common, and then the department code we are going to join this department table with the salary table where the employee code is common between the department code and this employee table. So we are going to join these three tables. So for that one we need to write the code for this. So I'm going to write the code. So I have created this join data frame. So we are joining the employee data frame dot join using. So for the salary data frame we have the employee code, and we are joining the department data frame. So there we have the department code is common between these two. So just we are going to execute this code. So now let's check what the data inside this join data frame. So join the df dot show, and we have these data inside this join data frame. So if I'm just going to minimize the data properly there. So we have this department code, employee name, and the deductions. Then we have the location. So all that. So we have combined all these data frame, three data frames. So after that, we are going to just we are going to create a window function. So we are going to make the ranking of the salary. So for this one again we are going to create the rank data frame for this one. So I'm going to write the code for this. So I have created the window specification first of all to create the ranked data frame. So we have created this one. First of all we need to execute this, and then we are going to create a window for this. So we have created the window specification, and now we are going to create the rank data frame to give the ranking to the salary there. So now I have created this rank data frame to join. So just we have added a column there, salary rank, and so before this executing, so we need to import to here. First off we need to import the window specification, and we need to, so we have created this window specification because it's showing the error because we have didn't imported this window package, and this function of this import as, so we need to import first of all. So we need to execute this line, and then we need to create this window specification. So now it's created the window specification. So now then again we are going to create the rank data frame. So for this rank data frame just we are going to create this one. So execute this line. So it's showing exception. Salary rank. Unsupported query. So we are getting this one because we didn't create, because the salary we are getting, so we are not create the salary first of all, because there we need to get the salary because we have these deductions, they are also basic and some additions, so we didn't create it. So we need to create the first of all this salary for this one. So we need to execute this one, and then we are going to execute this ranked function. So now it's created the rank on that salary. So just check the rank df dot show. So here it is showing this. I need to, if you're going to check this showing the rank for this salary ranking, it will do the rank salary. So 1 2 3 4 4 for the same group, so it will give the 1 2 3 4 again 1 2 3. So wins just we have seen the in the SQL also. So after that we are going to find, we are going, because we have give this ranking, so we are going to find the third highest salary. So for that one we just need to write. So I have written this to get the third highest salary data frame. Just we need to execute because we have that ranked. We have created already the rank df dot filter, and we are passing the rank salary rank equal to 3. So just we need to execute this line, And if you are going to check this third high, df dot show, so here it shows all the columns from these three tables, but we doesn't want all these columns. Just we need to just display the department code and department name, employee name, and the salary. So just we need to fetch only those columns. So for this one, just we need so now just we are going to select the employee code, department code, and the salary only for this. So now it is the data frame object is not callable. Here we need to use select so dot select. Now again we need to execute this one. So it is okay. Now we have just checked the final result dot show. So we are getting these three tables, which is the these two employee which have the get the third highest salary from the department 1 and 2. So this is the question 2 for third highest salary. So thanks for all, and please like my video and subscribe my channel, and I will post some new question onto my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks to all.